Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be going over our State and Time feature. With this feature, you'll be able to capture changes that take place between two groups of individuals in our CSV audit. To begin, it's simple. We'll head on over to the CSV audit. We're going to go to create a CSV audit, and then we're going to upload a file. Now for this demo, we're going to be using two files. That way we could capture the difference between the first file we upload and the second one. To do so is simple. First, we're going to name this one. We'll name it original, and we'll select the due date, choose a file. Now we're going to select the original file right here. Click next, and simply just map this. This part, just map it to what's best available. If you have any custom headers that you'd like to use, you can certainly add them. If I scroll the way down, just enter them right there. If not, find the one that best matches your description. So once that's mapped, I'm going to click Create the Audit. And really quick, let's see the files we're working with. So clicking into this, here's the original file. You can see we have the username, OpenID 4, 3, 5, 6, and 7 with these users, Austin, Steve, Steph, Rick, and Tim. Now, we're going to click into this, just verify that that's what we have. And there we have OpenID 7, 6, 5, 3, 4, all ready for you. We can see their information right here, and the action is pending. Now, we want to see the state and time report, or the difference between this and a sheet that's uploaded maybe a couple months down the line. To do so, we're going to go right back over here to create the CSV audit. We're going to enter the name. We'll name it comp for comparison, and I'm going to select the file. Let's select that comparison file and upload. Now we're going to click next, go through the same process as before, just mapping it first, last name, email, and so on. And the reason why right here I'm clicking roles, convert comma separated roles, is because each of these users have multiple roles within one cell. But once we finish doing this, instead of clicking create the audit, let's say we want to run a comparison campaign. So we'll check that box. I'm going to click create the audit, and now right here it's asking, okay, what are we comparing this to? At this point, we're going to select from a previous audit that was created. The original one that we just created is the one we want to compare this to. So we'll select original, and now it asks us, do we want to see a change in user status? Yes. So we want to see when users are added, or do we want to see when users are deleted and removed? In this case, let's select both. You can also select to see if roles were added or roles were deleted or removed. But once you've done this, we're going to click create, and right here, here's our comp test. I'm just going to refresh this page. There you can see state and time. We even have this little warning symbol right here, just stating that the source is from this original campaign. Let's click into this. And so we have 4 users. Now why do we have these 4? OpenID 3, OpenID 4, OpenID 9, and 8. Let's go back into our sheet that we're working with, and we can see here's the original right here. Here's the new sheet right here. The overlap is 5, 6, and 7, as we can see. The ones that were removed were 4 and 3, and the ones that were added in the new one were 8 and 9. So clicking in here, we see that 8 and 9 were added, and we could zoom in right there, change the status, new user added. And then we could see 3 and 4 were removed. Let's go there, 3 and 4, user removed. So just like that, we've created a comparison, and you can upload the 2 sheets, see which changed over time. More importantly, you have the option to download this as a report. It'll show you who was added, who was removed, when, and when this campaign took place as well. You could also go through, just like in our previous campaigns, and you can select an action to certify, or revoke the changes. Very simple to do so. You could even delegate this out. Automatically delegate will send it right to the user's manager, or if you want to delegate them out one at a time, simply just enter in the email address or the group you wish to assign this to. I hope you found this video on State and Time audits helpful. Please feel free to ask any questions. We will be uploading another video, the webinar on this, and how this is useful in your SOX audits. Thank you so much. Take care.